Hi there, this is the secret copycat recipe of KFC original fried chicken you can make at home easily. We start with a flavorful combination of 11 spices easily available and combine them with flour and brown sugar and salt to create the makings of that savory KFC crunch you crave. After that, dredging the chicken in seasoned flour and frying it up in hot oil is as easy as it gets. If you've ever wondered how to make KFC fried chicken, the secret is here. Get ready to note the secret recipe. Preparation time, 20 minutes. Cooking time, 40 minutes. Servings, 4. Ingredients. Spices you need: 1 tablespoon paprika, 2 teaspoon onion salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon celery salt, 1/2 teaspoon dried sage, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon allspice, 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon dried basil, 1/2 teaspoon dried marjoram, 1 chicken, 2 quarts of frying oil, 1 egg white, 1 and 1/2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon kosher salt. Directions: 1. Cook oil in a deep fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Incorporate ingredients for the spice mix. Mix flour, sugar, and salt. 3. Brush each chicken piece with egg white, then the flour breading. 4. Exchange to a plate and permit the chicken to dry for around 5 minutes. 5. Cook breasts and wings together for 12 minutes. Repeat with legs and thighs. 6. Situate pieces onto a plate lined with paper towels. Now you can serve this delicious KFC fried chicken. Enjoy! Nutrition: 418 calories, 22 grams fat, 15 grams protein. Try this KFC fried chicken recipe at home in your comfort and let us know how you liked it in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more secret recipes and click the bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.